Do it again. Bist du? Ah! Gott! Ah, Gott spielt die ganze Zeit an sich selber rum. So. Oder, nee, meistens ist das Scheiß aus Papier ausgekommen oben. Steht da? Ne, oh, wie? Hello and welcome back. Well, anyway. Hello and hello and welcome back to CarX part 643 already on these DefNation4Real account, but actually over 5 accounts gained more than 1,000 episodes or something. So for this 4 days, I have 4 accounts right now. On DjVolgin account, DefNation account, Nitro'theBat account, DefNation4Real account, we have actually the 603 episode. Is that even English? 643? 643 episode? The episode number 643. Here we go. Cold fingers already. I have no underwear on, I have no t-shirt on, I have jacket and some stretch trousers and shoes on, but it's cold as hell here right now. I don't care, the underwear is the other story. I was at the shower and decided actually I don't know what we're doing today. Go and watch movies, go naked to bedroom, or just actually, so I decided no, it's a little bit smelly here on Cigarille. Let's have actually a drink. Let's have a drink. So I drank a little beer, was going to my PC, watched all my lately very old pictures actually. I was laughing, but there was a lot of drift in there as well, connected with beer. So I drank the beer, and still I have it here on my side. And so I decided, get me a jacket, let's do CarX. Here are we. I mean, I am. Somebody else with me? I gotta dumb hang myself. Ha, man, talking shit. Alright, let's just set up the live stream and let's keep on moving in here. My practicing in here today is 5 duels at the Winter Castle, at the Castle Road. 25 win in the multiplayer. Drift 300 kilometers? How many kilometers we already got? 278. We can connect that with clipping soon and points to deal done at 650,000 on multiplayer with the 25 win in multiplayer to get the drift 300 kilometers. So we get actually 3 trophies today. Ooh, trophy, oh, se, oi. Excited. That's actually awesome, but I'm excited. Show me more of your filth. I hate that. YouTube just, I think that was for 2 years ago, you just was scrolling down and just ending up the setup for the live stream. Now it says, watch more. Why? Clap up, goddammit, like Playboy. Why I have to press these stupid show more or something? This is bull crack. So let's see. Ah, here we go. Nice YouTube covers. Oh yeah. What fits for today? Alright, that's a nice one. Yeah, that's a Sunday, like you like it. That's cool. Come on. So, let's see. Tags. And tag. Date 21 still. God thanks, Sunday. Oops, why I'm writing down actually in the title of the game Sunday. CarX. Drift Racing Online. Drift Racing Online 2. Not known yet. There's not even a date in there. And saving. How's that working? Starting a jam. Oh my gosh. Yeah, wow, I wrote that actually down with these kids, these Dayumns. It's like, wait when I'm going to multiplayer. Wait for it. And people then say something like, "Can I play with you?" and all this stuff, right? But they are underage. They're under 10 years or something. They need actually kind of these, what's that called? Ultimate some kind. They need that refreshment of being actually shown or no. What's that calling? The syndrome. These kind of childish syndrome. I'll be someone. I just want to be attract the whole world for me. There's a special word, right? My English sucks. Thank you very much to let me know. Hold on. As always, here we go. Commentaries coming up in here, desktop. That internet edge. Live jam on Spotify in here. Come closer. Closer.
Live jam on Spotify in here, URL.
But that's close enough. I can smell your tiramisu from here, Harima. And yesterday you eat actually pizza. Del Tono. How the hell do you know that? Closer. Oh. So get out of your leg. It doesn't matter what kind of car we're playing, right? Oh, we have to... we giggle up actually all these cars for drift, not for time attack. Hold on, before we started up this crack. We're not going anywhere. Car, fully made it. Next vehicle. I think the game froze. Non-ultimated. Never drove before. You know, you got set up. Use it. In the race mode, but still we have actually set up. Okay. I'm prepared for everything. Not all, but prepared. Okay, not for that vehicle. Is it for mutant? Something there? No, not really. You're not prepared for everything, huh? Oh my god, shut up. Not prepared. Maybe prepared, I'm not sure. Movies. That car needs tire work, dude. Ronnie is ready. Ready to run, eh? Right. I've been done with that stuff. Hope that's a nosebleed, dude. It's a ghost town. Come on. So where we want to go actually is, I don't care, but not these goofy tracks I hate so much. And these goofy tracks are representing actually these Grim Valley, Hiroshima, Tokyo, or something else, Hasitaki, or can you stop that stuff in here? Team Verve UK Streets or Omen Drift Arena. I just give a mother in hell for these customized stupid tracks, right? It's just disgusting. This game is unplayable then. What the hell is that? So we need Castle Road for, what was it? 5 duo win. But also actually, if you found something, no, we don't find someone in here. Ah, god damn it. 25 win and then multiplayer. We can't even set up something like that because, you know, it's not working. It's not working. It's even easy. I had that on, you know, stuff like that. Then nothing. Nothing. I'm creating right now actually a multiplayer race, a multiplayer room, and it's not working. We have a big error issue in here all the times. And there is no road on Castle Road, or room actually made. Why? We can't open up that room, God forsake. Something different if something actually like 8 times this room still existed. Join room error 402. But this room is not existing. Why we don't play for sake? For that, I hate the multiplayer very hard. This is bullcrack. I think I need more beer or something. Crack the loot there, Craig. Acre. Yeah, well, let's go somewhere else then. This is nonsense. What was it? St. Paliso? Spring Strand? 3 rooms. St. Paliso? Nothing. Oh. Milton Drive? That was 1. Ooh, but it says time attack and hitting and 120% tile. Oh, let's go there. Something that says like what Glock, something like that, so open up for everything. Oh, no wonder. Milton Drive. Yeah, Milton Drive. Now I can remember. It's just a race, not drift. Exactly. Didn't broad my cars with race. Why we don't can actually get the setup into race? Why is it not possible in here? Oops. Crash each other? I'm so sorry, man. I thought you can't crash. Sorry, mate. What the fucking hell? At the map. Okay, I can't. I lied. I was waiting for what happened. Oh, really fucked up these days. Ooh, that's a nice music, man. Ball boy. Oh, don't look at me. We got that wild boy. Why you can drive through me?
Aber der Spinner von der Strecke runtergehen, oder?
war das nochmal? Wie konnte man nochmal Car changen? Aber so. Cheers up, Kappa. It's gonna Where are we going? Say, where are we going? You need to go better, not faster. I'm very disappointed. I hate this drive, that's the point. Can be good, can be very fast, actually. Ugly as hell when drifting. What I mean? That was 750, man. It was carbon anyway here. Tried it. God for sake, god damn it, mother the hell. Back that car. I hate this drive. Even the garages are stupid. Or is it just me? I can shut off the car, man. Normally it was the R3 button. I can't shut off the car anymore. Huh? What is this these days? Ugh. Sake, need a beer. The other guy's really done with. Oh, crack me! It's so loud! And these kilogram and horses per hour or whatever it is. Horses per hour. Shit, what the hell is being done with? Chaos, man. Hey, there's some cigarette actually thing you can actually, you know, send them to hell with you. a button you can fire up your cigarette, you know what I'm talking about? I'm so lonely. Oh my god, I'm inside someone! But I had it in that. Proto. Engine problems or something. What is wrong with the vehicle? Carnage. Okay. Cocaine? Thanks. Hummel like baby Jimmy. Oh, come on. Get real. Something like these. Prepared for drift, nothing else. For sake. Not his gas show in here. Gas show. She's up kaparen og så op i sin YouTube, du skal ikke på sådan en shit. That vehicle fit into the garage. No, I don't think so. Oh my gosh, it fits. I can't believe it. What the hell? Holy shit. I can see your toes from down below. Your mother, are you shitting yourself? One person from left, and what she is doing, holding her wiener. Oh, there's no people actually up there. Oh, even are sinking into the concrete. So we've got handbrake, we've got acceleration, we got a crazy wheel, got lights, we've got no head, and you can send us to sleep. The other guys are being done with. Oh, is he drifting? 94k? No, he's much too much in here, actually too long. But look at that, I have 1437 HP, but that's a race edition, right? We have a drift car over the side. Oh, what are you doing? That's cheating, man. Oh my god, was that the Joker lap? Dude. Start another drift. Home alone by ourselves. Oh man. Oh, here we go. I think we have a crash. Oh my god. Hits to the wall, man. Great job. These days so hard. that. Oh my god, the racing crew is coming. Oh crap, mates. Why are you going that way? Oh, you're a joke on that. Yeah. Wrong with you, mate? Oh crap, the wrong button. That was stupid. Good luck out there. That was nice. Nice setup, I got. Just for drifting. Every car I just sent to drift. I saw these. Something like the time attack and 120% tire work. So I got on all my cars 120% tire work even on drifting. What the hell? Jeez, auf Kampagne schon. Ist ja nicht so gut Gold drauf, die ich spielen. The guy with the yellow wheel, man! That yellow steering wheel! Oh, you found the potential? You know, easy. Handbrake maybe? Seven gear, yeah, I know. Actually, the corner's half. What the hell? That's why I call 7C. Oh, dude. Are you tricking the system? Oh, wow, that is fucked up. Brake. Oh, look at that. Over, baby. Another one spun. Oh gosh. Corner is gone. Oh, still waits for something. I think, hey. What are you doing, dude? Oh, jump. I'm a drift setup, man. I'm not ready for you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much for playing a little while around here. You're boo. Oh, what's my truck doing? It says winky winky. Something like that. Oh, you want to go over the track like winky winky like that? Alright. Are you cleaning the road? Bye-bye. That's crazy. How long is this going? What the fuck? I made a great job, especially actually on the suspension work. Definitely. that music. Do you really need music in your ears? Get some earplugs. Get your headset over. And select actually my linky here on the top live chat. Enjoy. It's a live jam on Spotify. Jam in and have fun. Peace out, on Sunday. What the fuck, dude? I love it. Cheers. And hi, Anniversity, so let's go post in the region next shot. I think I cleaned up already, some demon or something. Should drink the beer then. It was nice. Della in the scenery. So, let's go to drift. Clipping soon. Oh, what about these 300 kilometer drift then? Hold on a second. How many we got right now? 291. 9 kilometers actually left for getting a bronze trophy. Nice. Ganbaramas. So yo. Wow. Sayonara, Milton Bright. Hello, Kami Road. I think so. But there's another Sand song. Sand Snob. Do I like Budo? What? Alright. 100%? Was that SD? Shit doing? Schedule? Oh, must be Russian or something, this crack. You are these kids at the AW. Kami Road. Fresh air. Burnt tire work. Dang right. Cold these days. You want to drift that one? Let's see how many people. Oh my gosh, there are more than 8. 9. Funny. Funny. Seriously funny. More than 8. I came through, right? Come into this. So the biggest one is 90, 370. Let's see. Be careful. Loud. Annoying. Get your light off. Let's be a little bit out of curiosity. There you go, looking great. I have no chance about that. So too far. That is a Japanese actually, and that's why the servers are fucked up on him. They're doing actually great tempo. I know that corner's fucked up sometimes. Don't give up. Only do the gas pedal with that vehicle, dude. Don't use the handbrake. This is where I'm talking to a PC driver. Remington is coming! Pedal, pedal, pedal to the pedal, pedal to the pedal. Let's keep it moving, dude. And keep the handbrake. Oh gosh, what just happened? He's scamming around here right now. Oh hi, Arena. Come to the crew. What's going on in here? I'm going for leakage to toilet. Be right back. And they're on. Oh, they're just gone for need to go to the toilet and be right back. And then let's rid that car, man. Too road. Car go. I can't hear you. That's why I just put the microphone so loud. The game is enormously loud. But good one, Dave. It's time for some challenges, man. Anal leakages these days as well. I'm eating and 1.5 hours later I already can go to the toilet with that hot spicy noodles, man. And beer diarrhea. I love it. Really become bleedings, man. Typical actually if you have a little burnout. Stop it. It's gone. Alright. Let's keep it moving, right? Let's brush our teeth. Where's my tooth hand there? I need to get something better. Let's fire up a cigarette and drift that course. I am 11-8. Welcome to Bavaria, Germany. Ooh, crack. See how many drift points we already got? 0! Alright. You want to design something with it? You know, we have A, B, and C. C is down below. Let's get it on then. No one. I think I had to do the job by myself. Alright then. Come on, double tap. Well, the people's in the room already. So we gained extra memory. Let's go. my god, just made some points. Yay! Cheers. Who the hell is that? Where's Rena? Oh, Rena's gone. Aww. Give us. Tschüss auf Kampagne, ich war ein bisschen nicht so gut, die next game. I say, the game is very loud, that's why my microphone is actually loud as well. Someone? No? Maybe they want to go to something else. I like that clipping, man. Let's say small. Let's see what small meaning. Cheers. So loud. Ah, these kids today. Oh, we got a contender. Oh, we lost a contender. It's like the subscribe as well on my channel, actually. They subscribe, then unsubscribe. Gambarmas. Whoa, where are you drifting at? Not enough space. And immediately stop. Oh, well, I have to challenge myself then. this up. I'm high. A crazy driver. I'm just doing it for fun, dude. How many alcohol you already drew?
I can't remember, mate. I've just gone crazy. That was a white powder as well for today. Where I'm going.
Only me at the road. Careful, I'm going! I tried to make space for you, dude. Must be enough. Alright, can't offer more space. Uh-oh. Oh, come on, what happened? I didn't press something. Oh, you know, there's a tree, there's more trees. Oh gosh, somewhere else we're going right now. I'm making even drift points in here, why? At least we're trying. They changed it. We can't make drift points down below here. That's crazy. Only in asphalt. Oh my god, we stuck each other! Oh crap, dude! Lol, lol, lol. I'm sorry, mate. Oh, come on! Thank you very much. trophy on. Here we go. So we did already actually a 300 kilometer drift. Watchy. Let's see. 300 kilometer drifted. Here we go. The proof is done. Well, 9 milliseconds in audible. Wow. That's fast. Ah, these kids these days. I'm trying on a training session in here. Mega had some time for me. Let's see. She's up. Oh yeah, the gun. Here we go. One more month. And the grass kept me up to go crazy on me. I'm good, gone for good. She's a whistle. Come on. Cambernas. You go 4. Gone but thank you. Oh my gosh. Some drift you can do done if you want. Holy shit. Monsieur, the road is off. Where we go? Going. I was settling good fun. I think he's pissed. Where is he? There he is. Oh, he's gone. No, he's there. With his little black fox. I got the pee to grab back. Oh my gosh, he's shopping again. He's doing it again. Come here, road demon again, huh? Here. And maybe an underwear. It's very cold. It's actually 4 degrees in my room. 0 degrees outside. You can spawn on them. How was that working again? Better go on in here. They don't like me. Crash too much. Why is this button so much fucked up? Ooh, crap, what I'm pressing. That was not snot on my controller. No. So we try these stupid castle road, 5 duels. It's not working anyway. Also a road, Nope, nobody's in there. 25 wins in the multiplayer, we're still on it. No one in here, no one in there. Of course they sent Petersburg there. Good chill. Chill and drift. What about drink and what's it calling by myself? Drift and drunk. Drink and drift. Get on these ones. Russia these days. Open up a beer and have fun, right? I'm not live anymore. Dang. What's that do? Contender in the hood. Gotcha. Raw rum. More rum. Ah, he's drifting these days. One hand drinking, one hand playing. Not working anyway. Oh my gosh, you don't want to do it again then. It was his best run, he was saying. We repeat, don't worry. I even give you a chance to win in here, mate. Ah, don't be so succeeded, man. Just have fun. Of course I'm winning. Got the best setup in the world, man. Myself. DjVolgin. AKA DefRekka DefNation4Real. Even uploaded that one. Can't get asked for that one. I don't play like that. XDS I hate. A waste of time, you don't get credits, no XP. Sunday morning, 11 o'clock 39. Cheers up. Oh, it's 40 right now. God dang. 1 minute late. Give me some beer then. already opened up. Nope. No open up for business. Oh my gosh. Souvenirs. Not a sight, man. Disappointed now. I think my car is too bad. Too bad. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. Make space for me. Go to the embassy, man. Oh, ho, ho. Parking level skill 9. I'll make some space for the Subaru, y'all. Crème de la crème. I hate you so much. Cheers. Kilometers. Wow, I lost. That's my first time I lost. PC, huh? Must be easier these days. Let me go first then. Got you by the balls. $650K on the clipping sooner points. Holy shit. This trophy's not easy. Oh, come on, I just want to drink extra beer. Okay. Can you repeat that one? Oh, come on, dude. Cheating. Nice time. Oh, bye bye. There need to go to pee, man. paper. On the world, man. No subscribe for DefNation. Huh. What's on that stuff? Amateur parking? Come on. Oh my gosh. D.R.O, I'm back. Is that your space to park in here? Let's see. Oh my gosh, we're going somewhere. Careful, 16 tons. Oh, we are in the VIP lodge right now. And I'm going to pee. Thank you very much to have you guys. Ooh, I got the most points in here. Gimme up. Give up? Don't give up. Let me back the dragon ring now. Have to see on you. Oh, let's have a diarrhea shit. Ah. Well, with these policy actually these days, I'd rattled off. And don't miss you. Got the real cream actually by 1 milliliter with $28. A 60%. That is crazy. The urea maxed out. Maximum of 60%. 400 milliliter. Sounds like less. It was a package for 4 months actually. The cream that the cream. You only buy the system before you age it too much. Stupid construction work. Getting cold these days. What crack hurts because too much sitting around actually about video games, drinking too much alcohol and eating too much. I finally forgot the YouTube ID actually from my sister, man. By an accident, I subscribed her, and I just... fuck. I don't know her name, actually. So... oh. Couldn't remember her name on YouTube. My own sister. She asked me about around some kind of the, hey brother, how's it going? I say, how brother? Well, who the hell are you? And she was saying, I'm your sister. Oh gosh. And by an accident yesterday, I just deleted her. I was fishing around, actually subscribing other people's, and this subscribe actually my sister this time. What the hell? Can't find her anymore. Mofuyo or whatever her name was. Man, that's really fucked up. The room is full, dude. Contenders. What's Bob's doing? Rank rat. Nice. Oh my god, they do that. They have a very bad internet connection down the road. Oh, you wanna go to the cemetery yard or something? James. He's fitting through. Don't. Nice try. You recorded, Jane. CarX, 7 to play, DC, say. Nice Supro you got there. We're gonna hang out a little while, okay? As I doing my business, guys. They have already the shoes in cemetery. Let's have a catch before 12 o'clock. She's occupying us, Robbie, so who's going to the next green color in Moss, by the way. Back from Torbay. I think I need a new cigarette or something. Ah, with the smoking and drinking by empty stomach. What a mess. How can I get out of here? Easy peasy. Someone? No, there's a light post. I think I had the deal done by myself. Attraction, I think. Maybe not. Mr. FC. Put that wrong. Try again. Was that the message? And do it quick. Cheers. Zo, ik heb haar in de slok, het zit niet zo goed, ik kan niks spelen. Gotcha. Move all the cheap. Where are we going? What is this run by? Or I'm not enough for this? Oh, that was so close. 2200 and then 220. I'm a loser. I am. Long day. Like that. I'm better leaving this place. Nonsense, Lee. Oh, it was definitely fun in here. Look at these folks who are coming up. Bob is a leader. Even he crashed, and now they're focusing somewhere else. Okay. And crashed. Oh wow! Now, nice drift to the green one. Crazy. Ah, green one crashed. Public green is still gone. Oh, the red one's just gone. Chill and drift. Let's go for some race action, right? Ah, 10 minutes after 12 o'clock. Still won one trophy, dude. 70 kilometers on that track, man. Cheers. Vamos. What the hell? Sake. Use the handbrake for that thing. Gosh, I'm dreaming something. Okay, that man. I think I can't hit that one. What? Oh shit. No, you can't win that. That just crashed twice. My gosh, the first silver. And you get a trophy for that. Half a step to victory. Oh, for sake. I blamed myself. No. After 187 gold trophies or medals, we won a silver. Oh my gosh. I'm so out of here. I'm so disappointed in myself. I have no underwear, no t-shirt on. I'm sitting here half naked in a coldness freezing by actually 4 degrees in the room. Ventilated. And my mind is actually so sleepy. Oh well, that's life. For sake. Oh no, 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 no. That was not good. My first silver. Oh no. Shit. I'm disappointed now in myself. After 40 kilometers drifting actually today. No way. Fucking cold. Can't feel even my fingertips anymore. My hands are red and blue. Violet as well. Let's get me a beer in front of actually these other apartments. What's up, y'all? Cheers up. Hi. Hello, cat. Weizen-Grinsenbier. Sternhagel Dichtbruch. That guy called actually. What was the name? Living something? Man, I really fucked it up. It's our first silver. For fuck's sake. How could that happen? Five duels in the winter on Castle Road. Castle Road is not gone. I can't even make up a room for that. Oh, look at that! Somebody wants! Connectator! Nice! Let's keep it moving, man! Even you have a chance in here. With 120% timer, let's keep on moving and win 5 duels! Mouths! That's a good cheering. Gang, 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 the gang, the city of dreams. Let's drink, 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 gang that up. Kampai, 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 kampai. A leak, a drink, sip. Here we go again. Stupid silver I just did. Modern off, mate. Can't believe it, the silver trophy, mate. What the shit happened? Are we on somewhere else? Cheers. Hell, you won that. Oh, come on. I bet she could win that. Not winning these days. Hello? Wow, what's going on? That was weird. Send you a sticker. Oh man, I'm losing this one in here. What the fuck? What do you mean of that? I should change a car. What's tough enough? I have to answer, man. What he means about where do you see dudes? Huh? Holy shit. Can't win against them. Video where I will go. A spectre. Let's try again. I think I need to go back to the toilet first. Cheers. After that one, need to go to the toilet. Touch, you think? Losing all the time, man. Oh, this guy's too good. Just started not this. But whatever. I'm a loser. Okay, nice work. Let's go to P. Fuck life. Looking like a parasite like in Russia. The only parasite is Putin, man. But that got on. Whoop, whoop. Hallelujah. Yeah. Winner of the night. Sun went in, dog room. What are you expecting for? Close to 1 o'clock PM. Shoot. That critter. Thank you very much. Arigato domo, Anthony. What the hell was that? Oh, sorry for that one. Somewhere else with that, right? It's just drifting, man. It's just drifting. It's just drifting. How the hell, man? How could it be you? Some the computer system, something going wrong? You already get the trophy, right? 5 duels at Castle Road. That's at night time. That's the biggest disaster I just get in my life. What the hell? Yeah, what the hell? That's cheating, man. That's not fair. You should have known where you are. I always respecting not actually hit your car. That was not fair, man. I'm out of here. This is just bullshit. The anchor was actually about 9 to 14 milliseconds. In Japan, this must be from Dubai or something. My life is gone. Especially right now we get actually a stupid silver medal in here. Unbelievable how that just happened. Cheers up. Campanas rocket suit, so let's go across the next beam. Definitely time to go to the bedroom. Just sleep away this Sunday. Safe with the clock. Holy shit, that cold. forgot to brake. That car hurts in my ears, man. Oh, man. Get drunk? That's nice. It's cold as shit. We have -1 degree outside, I think. It feels like the 5 degrees inside the room. I should stop actually the live stream. It's stupid cold in here in my room. I'm not joking around. This is what I'm saying. Let's do some stolen money. People watching? I can't believe that. What reason? Ciao campagna, shop is salut. Salut, score, prost, die next beam. Squall. What about the set 4 or something? Set 4. What was it called? EDM? Can't remember that one. Whoa. What are you talking about? Oh. Oh, you mean the EDM was sad. Talk about that. Weird. DęfNation. I think that's me. Yes. It's legal, man. Safety first. I'll be right back. I think I need to go to the toilet. Leaking off some wheelie pee. What was that? Holy crap. Rather good food. Oh shoot. Jalapeno with bread. Around it. Oh. 2.5 million? I give a fuck. Oh crap. That was a bad decision. A bit of cheddar cheese, but holy moly. My dip foods are sometimes a little bit too much extreme. Oh, holy crap. Oh. Carolina Reaper, right? Not jalapeno. Oh, randomized finger food stuff I just sometimes made. Whew. I don't need a coffee anymore. Wow. Oh, eyes are tearing, man. Oh, definitely Carolina Reapers. What the fuck I just thought? I thought it was just actually jalapeno or something that I just made. The crust around my bread I just made as well in the morning time for 2 hours ago. Or 3 hours ago, better say. Oh. Carolina Reaper, I just went in. Oh, I need tequila. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's crazy. Oh. Now I'm sweating. Man, it's very cold in here. I'm starting not to sweat. My eyes are tearing. Oh. Where was I? My gosh. Oh, that was seriously stupid. I love my finger food actually by these live streams, but I'm normally actually drinking beer and smoking cigarettes, so I couldn't decide in the morning time. That's why I'm sitting still down in here with only pants and the jacket. There's no t-shirt down below, there's no underwear up down below, and I have only shoes on. So I'm actually blank naked. Holy shit. And this live stream here right now. It's very cold outside, and in my room the ventilation system is running and the window is open. Hell. Mother of ducky. I'm sorry for that one. I just suffering a little bit with these I made on these finger dips. But that was the wrong finger dip I just put up. Holy shit. God, it burns my throat. Stupid 5 million, whatever it calls. Caroline Pepper, I can't remember. Oh my gosh, I'm going inside actually death. I'll be there in here. I don't know. Crack mate. Crack mate. Let's testify the core out, God for sake. Not good discipline. Drifting, right? Yeah, somewhere else. I feel terrible right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, this beer is cold. Let's have a tequila then. Oh. I think my heart rate is about 180 or something right now. Beats per minute. As my normal is at 150 or something. Oh, shoot, my ribs are hurt right now. I'm poisoned now. Come, Barmas. Wow, that's a new record. I see how blimp actually that stupid Carolina Reaper is working in my mind, in my soul, in my body. Even got acid away right now. Oh my god. That was a nice run. Cheers up, guys. Thank you very much for watching a while. Man. Was actually the live stream. I don't feel fine anymore. Anal leakage become. There's actually these, what's it calling? Not shake, the spit shake. That, that's for sake. I lost actually all things. Drinking hazel, I wish I had that right now, mate. Drinky hazel. What's with these? So we don't have something like on anime. Ooh, that looks nice. Holy moly. I'm on it. Yeah, why not? Totally a 5-star, mate. Somehow it fit very much. Oh gosh. Testifying actually these are these racing stuff. Meant for a long term actually go from Need for Speed Takeshi Sato out. Oh, what a 10 minutes? Some West Coast 1 minute 59. Oh, fuck you, Carolina Reaper. Wow, my lungs are burning as well. At 10 minutes. What is wrong with these guys? Did it on a daily life. Let's do some XP. A maximum of 123 XPs you can deal done with. Now my lips are burning. Hold on a sec. I need to wash my face, man. There's a burning in my mouth. Exactly. Put up, wash your hands before you go actually around your mouth. Een feuchtigkeitsspender. Olief, handtekenöl. Holy shit. Ever heard about milk? Nope. Not now. I still have it in my freezer. Fridge, I mean. Sample about DNA probe maybe in my freezer. I'm sorry. Uncontrollable. I had to laugh right now. I think I need my pills or something. Just kidding. I'm only taking actually a hard pill. Did I do that in the morning time? I think on the Asphalt Legends United I did, but let's do one. Hard rising. What's with the magnesium, man? We don't need it. She's up kaparen, så vi ser lige så lidt godt brust i next stream. Oh, I think actually the sun went in close to 14 o'clock. How you doing, Don? Gabble Mac and Nitro'theBat. Oh my gosh, what the hell is that? Cheers. The taste is just zero. Holy shit. Stupid action, man. Oh, get professional, mate. Much better looking. Another drip of beer. Racing, eh? Alright. Not really. My stomach is googling. Gambarmas. I'm still fighting with the a little jalapeno or something. Holy shit, it hurts. Make it long free, man. I'm really pissed off by myself now. Holy shit. Huh? Money? Oh, crack. This is not actually asphalt edges unite. Roses are blind. You're just fine. I need to go to the toilet. Oh man. Asphalt Legends Unite. Too much. I know there's some. Get the finger food away. Oh, holy shit. Meanwhile in Germany, Bavaria, just spitting into the toilet pot. Oh, hell. Outer space. These are actually friends from outer space. Especially from out of Germany. I don't care if they come from Italy or just be Czech or something. Maybe from America or Argentina, man. Okay. Having some fun for 5 hours long, something napping on me, and I'm going to the plane station. Well, they're just leaving. Or I'll just go with them. Have an extraterrestrial actually thinking about other countries. I think if I'm going to Canada or America, I have a little bit of problem. I see so many foods coming around there. How are they eating them? You have supermarkets that are so small. 4 times, but 20,000 people in here. They have actually a supermarket for 12 million people in one day to visit. And where is actually going this food all the time, every day? These are not getting napped away, like in Germany. Maybe we get away actually 35%, and maybe they get away 10%. The rest of the food, what's going on with them? Huh? That is weird. I think I need to go to sleep or something. I feel terrible right now. Fingers are cold, my body's cold, feet are cold. Nice car, man. Let's go to sleep. I'm done for today.